Very chilly, I mean. Don't aren't they bringing back this too?
Yeah, because we only have one bottle of water in here, you know, just one. Yeah. Mhm. Hi. Ready for the beach all day? These are all our belongings. There's a snack bag, change of clothes bag, towel bag, electronic bag.
Stop it.
And it's me. It's me. It's me. It's me. Are y'all laughing at me?
Yeah.
There should be, yeah. I'm like trying to say where we're headed to, but they're playing music. That's literally one thing you'll have to get used to in Jamaica is there's music always everywhere. Um, but we're headed to Dunn's River Falls today. Yesterday, we went, which you guys will see once I post the videos. As you see, I've posted Christmas and New Year's because I wanted to get those out the way. But there's fun adventure videos that I will be posting later on. Yesterday we went to Treasure Beach, to Jack Sparrow Treasure Beach. That was a good couple of hours we had there. And now we're headed to Dunn's River Falls. So we live on the south coast of the country, and now we're headed to the north. So we're going from one point of the island to the other point of the island. I'm honestly doing all this talking, and I might have to do a voiceover because of the music. But that's just how it is. But anyway, so yeah. So we're just waiting for the rest of the crew to come. You have more?
No, this is.
It was terrifying, big piece. Our couple. You can't talk. You can just wave. And then with the music, my God.
Nobody put me on your camera.
I'll shut the shit.
I'm going to comment and get your video taken down.
Do your best. Wave. Everybody wave.
No.
Haters will always hate, you know. Put up a stand on this, but they still put up a barrier up here, so. Oh, they fixed this part. Why they made it smooth? They should have made it stay the way it was. They should have never made it smooth. And yes, I him I go. Mhm. Alright, Chineke me. No son. Gotta drive through.
Break this morning.
Hmm?
Didn't go this morning, go collect the gun draw.
It's been so long. That's only one way, the one lane both ways? Oh. This is the Manchester toll road. At least part of it's in Manchester. This part, they're not installed the toll yet. Oh, but coming down, it literally says engage low gear. Jesus, that's a fall. That's a fall over there. Oh my. Oh shit. Once you cross that, ain't no going back, eh? You've driven this road before, huh? So the other side going to Spanish Town? The other side going to Spanish Town? Oh, that puts you on the other side of the highway? Oh. If I'm going to go right direction. Hamburger cake next to one another. They like change 2 seconds after. He was gonna do you. He was gonna come over with an indicator. You know, that's why you have them on the vehicle to use them. I didn't expect that. That was another tool. At least we're starting to see the ocean. Not only do you need good brakes, you also need good tires. All this shit right here. I guess it's the highway's finishing, so they want people to slow down to come into the town.
My man is serious and hard attack now.
A rum. Okay, it says cars only, but who's supposed to lift it up? Yes. How much time I go press the button? It's so packed over here. Yeah, then the don't come Terrence. I one way we're going. We all go the same direction. Yeah. And when you're picking, you go up and down, you have to pay attention. Okay? Oh, damn. They... And the fall water is very cold. Me not lie, my foot them tired.
Man, kung nung naman step.
It's been so damn long. My feet are like trembling here. Huh? You ever see nothing around this house? Get in the sea. Make me go halfway. Halfway, you go right at the front, this way you go halfway. Why you go halfway? Huh? What? Oh.
I guess we're on our mind.
Wait.
It is freezing. Yes, it is. Go to the water. It's shallow. See the rock them. You're not coming back up? I'm taking a couple. Yeah. You know, yes. You going with a group? Huh? You snuck into a group?
Work experience.
What a woman, hey! That water feel better than this water. The water there, the falls, does feel better than this water. Can you close it properly? Huh? Wait, can we go back down where the there's a woman down, Melissa? That's a cool. Oh, really? Yeah, that's coming directly off the falls. I just went up there. I just went up there.
I said, mommy, I'm a real photographer. I do this, like, how am I filming this?
What's the one then?
That's the camera.
Oh, then there's a.
Am I gonna go in? That's a great question.
Close your mouth. Open your eyes, please. You know you Wow, that means you can take one. Hold on.
It's ice cream,
Number one.
yeah. Guess a worm. Right, just a worm. You done?
I'm just scared to get out. Tell Daddy to meet me right there with the towel.
Scared to get that one.
It's not even that bad when you walk out. It's not that bad when you walk out. It's not even.
Oh, that was it. Nice.
Goes all the way out. You gotta fly over it.
You just act. Why is there no wave?
It's a calmer beach. Ready now? Wow, I'm right here. Going again now?
Yeah. Yeah. You too tall.
Stuff. Ready? Okay, you talk about I was too close and I had to back up.
What time?
They were selling those up there too.
Can I see the video?
Ain't got something for your baby. Let me get Daddy first. Look at Daddy trying to show up.
But I can do it underwater. I can't swim on top of water.
God. Go do it again now.
Wait, can you when
Oh, my shoe. I take my shoe off.
Oh, it's cold here. Go back. Back. It's cold over here. It's cold.
when I'm still above water, do the above water when I'm going down. So I'm see. It looks like
What is this? What do I look like? You're a videographer or something? Right there? Wait, Nyla's going first.
Oh.
Ally, do your thing now. Right here.
Oh, I'm behind. Boring.
Jada, Jade.
Boring. What do you want to do?
How do you do this?
Oh, so Alice Simon's floating. All right. Okay, I see you.
Don't report me struggling. Wait, hey, I have been dizzy.
I want to see if I can spin on the
Yes. Jumping back to your mom. Like, thank you. No. No. I will walk.
Okay, sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna die. That's a
Did you move your hand?
So fixed by your hand that has if you just actually do it on our own.
Without screaming, yes. You did it without screaming this time. They might get too close to the line. People don't want to get too close to the line.
It's like I'm doing it.
I think the line is supposed to end over there. Why,
Go, Nai, go. Go, Ariana, go. Nai, go. Go. Go, Nai. Sissy, go. Go. Move, Lloyd. Turn around, turn around. Let me go back in that salt water. Come, go, Terence. Yeah, you don't feel it. It feels good. I watch him. Let me get them picture. Turn around, turn around. My turn. Take the picture. Not take it. Take the picture. Move! Turn around! All right. It's Ariana. All right, come now. Look here, I feel like you're the ride's gonna be longer than we spent at the beach.
Back now.
No, say they can't ready to leave yet. The ride's gonna be longer. Like the sun point, you know. Careful.
I'm gonna go back over there and get myself washed off. Look at daddy, look at daddy. Daddy. Mama, look at daddy. He's clueless. go walk with us.
We're done. Done was right there. Is Done ahead? Done haven't gone ahead?
It looks so.
Oh, all right. So that's it. Dungeon River's over. These ones we don't want to climb no falls. Oh shit!
And y'all wanted me to do this barefoot?
To get something to eat before we do anything else. Traffic for the
My God,
night
me just go say, on the traffic we are going in here town. Huh?
It's because someone's mom.
Sorry.
They do Botox.
On file cell or anything why was it yeah.
It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. It is fine.
50 miles to this hill.
And I told exactly. Relax yourself. Sit back.
Get the car in front. Are they
That's for them bits. A tree up there for tree now.
When I tell you I share them in a head, I foot them, you see, you know.
parasailing? Parasailing. There you go. That's the thing. What happened to it?
Chiquito na for going in town, na di.
No, man, you put down further, man. No, what you telling yet?
I mean,
You don't reach into the town. This is just Island Village. I know you're still where I go out the suck out further. You see KFC sign? I see a hotel I'm sitting there right here, so. And this?
Where did y'all fly?
No, sir, this is another sitting there.
Where did you fly into?
Who?
Going to the beach.
Watch it. I'm more one, watch it. And that's not even the lane. The fact that they have the nerve to be blowing when they literally know what they're doing is not right.
Signal there, make sure they come over.
me had done with me reach for.
With who not care?
And me had your take this half shoulder, I've made smooth up so.
What?
You know, nice.
With who not care?
I reach you run about already.
Oh,
I'm about to reach it either way.
About to reach. Take a look down cross this.
Oh wow.
Take a look down cross this up. Eh?
Uh-huh. 2 seconds, we'll be there. No, so you go. Okay.
Everybody seeing customer in the price because
What of them look the same? What of them look the same? I'm gonna commit. Secure, okay, and they left. The wheel there with the water there. Oh, so the wheel there but with the water. Hmm? Well, I would assume so. You know what? You know, no man has nothing. I'm not about sure.
Yeah, go try catch you without being catch your car and hit. Your salt master want Chila come over meet me up right there.
Damn, the big ass truck. Okay, these cars are going too freaking slow. Hurry up.
One, two, three, go now.
It's that camera.
It's your secure, right? Wherever Jeffrey.
Hmm?
I need it, they can't.
The same week then enough killing happened in that area, man. The same week then.
Start from toll gate come up.
So keep going further down here, man. Down. Anybody need to dire need to pee right now?
A long time I want to clean about tomorrow Jeffrey top.
You don't have ask him. Yourself, you keep going down until.
Man.
That's why I never say nothing for the longest, you know. You don't hold on me a whole pee. Hey.
Well, I don't know. 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 I don't know
But the clean it down, you can't tap a road.
Yeah, at least we're in Manchester. We're in Manchester. What she said? I do this at Manchester bad road them, yeah. When we have pretty road, you couldn't drive. When you didn't have pretty road, you couldn't drive. You couldn't take advantage of it. Smiling Hospital. It's dark. Whew. We finally made it home. Oh my God, that traffic in Ocho Rios, Ochi. That traffic in Ochi because of this show that I wanted to go to so dearly. That show that I wanted to go to so dearly, but I couldn't because I had to come back for a setup for my uncle. So we decided to go to Dunn River, as you guys see, and it was cool. It was fun. Was it worth the $25? I don't believe so. Them stairs to come back up is murder. The climbing the falls was fun. The traffic to get out of flipping Ochi was terrible. Almost 3 hours, if not actual 3 hours, just to get out of Ochi. It was crazy. And then, of course, we chose to drive the toll to go, the bush to come back. Would have taken us 3 hours to come through the bush from Ochi, but because of traffic, it took us 6 hours. 6 hours. Yeah, because we started out at 3, supposed to be back home at 6, and nope, got back home at 9. Now everybody else has left for the setup, and now we're about to hurry up and get ourselves together to go to the setup. But yeah, it was a good day though. Overall, it was a good day. Jamaica need roads. Jamaica really need roads. Jamaica needs roads. And the good thing is most of the roads through St. Anne Parish, which is where Ocho Rios is located, was good. You knew exactly when you got to Manchester because the roads became shite. The roads were shite in Manchester. That's a shame. That's a dying shame. They need to fix the goddamn roads in Manchester. It's terrible. Jamaica government needs to get the act together and fix the roads around the island. It's terrible. Terrible, 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 terrible. But anyways, like I said, we just got home. Now we have to hurry up and we have to boil water. Did I ever let you guys know we have to boil water, okay? My mom said she's going to get a hot water heater. But for the moment, we have to boil water. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to boil water for all of us to jump in a shower real quick. And I have to do that 4 different times because there's 4 of us. So I have to do that 4 different times with shower. So have a good night. And I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace. Jamaica still going. Shut up, Terrence. In typical Jamaica style, JPS style. Look, no power, no Wi-Fi. Look at that. That's my trusted flashlight. See, everybody thought I was crazy when I was getting these. But yeah, in typical JPS fashion, no power. So obviously, no AC, no Wi-Fi. And we're just here in the dark. I'm reading. Terrence is just running his mouth. Nala, what you doing?
I forgot to mention no me being happy.
Lord over here just, I don't know. He was listening to his phone loud as hell. But yeah, coming to Jamaica and you know how JPS works, bring a flashlight. At least you can have some light. So we're just going to be chilling in the dark until we fall asleep or the power comes back on.